Making money on Binance without trading involves various alternative methods within the platform. Here are some ways. Binance staking. Participate in staking programs offered by Binance where you lock up your cryptocurrency holdings to earn staking rewards. Earn. Use Binance Earn to lend your cryptocurrencies and earn interest. Binance provides various flexible and fixed-term earning options. Launchpad participation. Participate in token sales through Binance Launchpad. This involves purchasing new tokens during their initial offering. Binance Savings. Explore Binance Savings for low-risk options that allow you to earn interest on your idle funds. Referral Program. Refer friends through Binance's referral program. Earn commissions when your referrals trade on the platform. Binance Academy. Engage with Binance Academy content and complete educational tasks to earn various cryptocurrencies. Binance NFT Marketplace. Explore the NFT marketplace on Binance to buy and sell non-fungible tokens, potentially making a profit. Participate in airdrops. Keep an eye out for airdrop opportunities where new tokens are distributed for free to existing token holders.